Hello everyone, I'm Laura from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thanks for joining me for our Crafting Corner. Did you know that we have craft kits available at the library that are cut out on our laser engraving machine? This Hello Spring kit includes the wooden pieces, wood glue, paint, and a paintbrush. You can choose one of a variety of kits and let your creativity loose while assembling and decorating your craft project. Taking care of yourself and your mental health is important, and a great way to do this is taking the time to craft, whether you are learning something new or rediscovering and practicing a familiar craft. Painting has been shown to stimulate both the right and the left side of your brain. From beginners to professionals, painting is an all-brain exercise that strengthens the mind and triggers dopamine activity in the brain, which helps regulate your mood and memory. To order your craft kit, check out our website at innisfilidealab.ca. Click on the Adult Programming link and then Kits for Seniors. You could also explore your creative side in one of our virtual Tinker Shops or Adult Social Nights. You can register for any of our programs at innisfil.bibliocommons.com/events. For more craft inspiration, take a look through our catalog. Type the craft that you are interested in into the keyword search. Scroll through the results to find what book will work for you. Then click on the title to find more information, like which branch it is located at and where it can be found. You can even put the book on hold, where you will be notified by phone or email when it is ready to pick up from the branch of your choice. We would love for you to share a photo of a craft you are working on with us at the library. You can tag us on social media at innisfilidealab, or you can send me an email at ljefffery@innisfilidealab.ca. Hope to see you all soon. Take care.